let's start the problem number 5 from the bill of exchange. Here is the question. 1st July, A sells goods to B. Whereas the question, person A is there, person B is there. Who sell the goods? A sell the goods to B for the worth of 10,000. What is the worth of goods? 10,000. Okay. And draw 3 bills. For these 10,000, they draw 3 bills. Okay. Whereas first bill for the 2,000 rupees. First bill for the 2,000 rupees. And for the 1 month period. How much the time period? 1 month. And second bill was for the 3,000 rupees. Second bill for the 3,000 rupees for 2 months of maturity time period. And third bill were the 5,000. Now it is match, which is for the 3 months. Simple. Whereas person A, person B are there, where the person A sell the goods to person B, and person A, the total amount due, which is 10,000 is there, that is divided into 3 bills. Instead of taking at a time the amount and giving the long time period, they are making simplifying the payment of amount, which is in divided into 3 bills. Whereas first bill is 2,000 rupees, second bill is 3,000 rupees, third bill is 5,000 rupees, and respectively the maturity time period to make the payment is also 1, 2, 3 and months of the respective 3 bills. And we have to remember the names of bills also. We'll consider bill 1, bill 2 and bill 3. Remember that first bill is 2,000, second bill is 3,000, third bill is 5,000. Next, let's see the story. Okay, B accepted the and returned the 3 bills to A. Okay, the first bill was retained by A. It means the first bill, whatever we said, it is retained. It means he hold the bill. He hold the bill. And what did he said? Next one, on the maturity date. And second bill was endorsed to A. Second bill was endorsed to A. He is to creditor C. The second bill, whatever 3,000 worth is there, that is endorsed to whom? It is endorsed to person C. Okay. On 3rd July, he said the date here, 3rd July. Okay. On the third bill was sent to bank for collection. What did he say? Sent to bank for collection. We will shortcut key will mention SBFC, sent to bank for collection. So third bill is sent to bank for collection on 4th July. On the maturity date, all the bills were dishonored and noting charges of paid 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees of respectively. The 3 bills, they have drawn 3 bills and 3 bills out of 3 bills are completely dishonored. And now is asking, with the after dishonored, they paid the noting charges of 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees respectively. And now is asking to write in the books of the both parties. First of all, in this question, we have to concentrate two things. One is there is number of bills are there. All the bills are drawn at one time, but which bill is accepted on what date? It means accepted means the maturity date. The maturity date is what? What is the date of maturity? After the maturity, it will dishonor. We can decide that bill is dishonored simply on the date of maturity or before the maturity, it has to be honored. If it is not honored on the maturity date or the before the maturity date, it means completely the bill is dishonored. So now we'll understand different dates are given. We'll understand the dates, whereas all the bills are drawn, which is the sales made on the 1st July for 10,000, drawn the 3 bills, and the first bill for the 2,000 for 1 month. What did he said? 2,000 for 1 month, and second bill for 3,000 for 2 months, and third bill was 5,000 for 3 months. Okay, P accepted the 3 bills and returned to A. The first bill is returned by till the maturity date. He hold the bill. Person B is hold the bill till the maturity date. The second bill is endorsed by A. Obviously, the drawer will endorse the bill. Okay, and endorsed by A to his creditor person C on 3rd July. He endorsed the bill on the 3rd July. It is drawn on 1st July. On 3rd July, he endorsed. And third bill was sent to bank for collection, which is on 4th July. On maturity date, all the bills are what happened here? Dishonored. Is asking to write the journal entries in the books of the both parties. Now we'll simplify the question and we'll take the important dates here. What is the date? Date of the bill drawns. What is the date? We'll take 1st July. Bill number for clarification. Bill number, bill amount, which is first bill 2,000, and maturity date. How many months? 1 month. Maturity date 1 month. All are dishonored. This is a common. And all the bills, bill 1, bill 2 and bill 3, which is 2000, 3000 and 5000. And maturity dates are 2 months, 3 months, which are all the dishonored. Okay. Now in this between, after 1 month of this one, we'll get the dishonor. After 1 month of first bill, we'll get the dishonor. After 2 months, this will be dishonored. After 3 months, this will be dishonored. These are the dishonored entries we have to write in between the three bills. Instead of writing all the three bills, sir, why don't we write all the three bills dishonors at a time? Means we should not write like that, because first bill is drawn on 1st July and it will mature on the date of 1 month after. So 1 month after means it will be dishonored first. Then the 2 months after, second bill will be dishonored, and 3 months after, third bill will be dishonored. It means dishonor of or honor of the bill will be based on the different maturity time period. Even the three bills are drawn at one time or one date, but the dishonor of bills will be different because of their maturity dates are different. Let's start the one by one. First, we have to write the entry in the books of drawer and drawee. Okay, here we'll take the journal entries in the books of two parties, whereas simple entries will take in the books of drawee. Okay, here we'll take drawer. Who is the drawer here? Who is the drawer here? Drawer is the A. In the books of A, in the books of B. Here we'll take the working notes. Okay, here we'll take the working notes. First, we'll take the entry for what? Bills drawn. All the bills are drawn at one day, so we can write all bills together as an entry. Before the bill drawn, we have some purchase and sales in the point of view of A and B. In A point of it is the sales made to B on credit basis. What is the entry? Simply when we make the sales to drawee. So sales when we make B's account debtor. What is the first entry? B's account debtor to whom we are selling. We are making sales. B's account debtor to sales account. The amount is 10,000 rupees. Okay. Next year, the entry will be when he purchased on credit basis from A, the entry is simply purchase account debtor. Purchase account debtor to A's account. The amount is same 10,000 rupees. So here narration will be being goods sold to B on credit basis. Here being goods purchased from A on credit basis. This is the entries we'll write basically when the goods are purchased here and sold here. Now we'll discuss about the when bills are drawn. When bills are drawn, simply we'll write the entry. Whereas bills is receiving here. What we are receiving? Bills we are receiving. Bills receivable account. Sir, here there is no one entry, one bill is there. There is a three bills. So we'll make the name one account. Bills receivable one account at R. Next one, bills receivable two account. Okay. Third one, bills receivable three account. Three bills we are receiving. Bills receivable 1, bills receivable 2, bills receivable 3 account. Debtor 2, from whom we are receiving these bills? On the name of drawee. Who is the drawee? B's account. And what is the amount of here? If you remember the amount, here the amount is 2000 of bill 1, 3000 of bill 2, 5000 of bill 5, bill 3 and total 10,000 of bills receivable. Total received from the who? The drawee. When the same entries for the acceptance in the books of drawee, what will be entry? Simply they will write the person name. The person A name will be debited. A's account debtor 2. He will write the same like a bills payable with number. So shortly I will write bills payable account 1 and he will call bills payable account 2 and bills payable account 3 account. And he will write being three bills are accepted. Up to here the formal and basic introduction will completed. Now what happened in the question? The drawer is utilized these three bills in three ways. How he has utilized? If you remember, the bill 1 is retained. It means hold the bill. And bill 2 is endorsed to C. Endorsed to C. And bill 3 is sent to bank. What we have done? Sent to bank for collection, sent to bank for collection. And these all are the dishonored, that is second part. Whereas dishonored with noting charges, we will write that. So now we will write what about the bills utilizing in these three ways. And for this utilizing of three ways, there is no any special entries, there is no any entries in the books of drawing. But in the books of drawing, only the two things, either if it is honored, honor entries will be recorded. If it is dishonored, dishonor entries will be recorded. Except that there is no any other entries, even it is endorsed, even it is holded, even it is discounted, even it is sent to bank for collection. This point already we have discussed in the introduction. Let's see the entries for the when the bills are utilized in different way. Just copy these two entries, then we'll take the remaining entries in the books of the both parties, especially in the books of the drawer. So now we'll write in the books of drawer, in the books of drawer, which is A. The all the situation basis, I will give the entries here. What is the first situation? Holding. For the retaining of bill, there is no entry. As last problem we have discussed, retaining of bill, there is no entry in the books of drawer, neither the drawing. So drawer retaining of bill will entry not come, but the first bill is dishonored here. Yes. What is the first step? First retaining of bill, and that is dishonored, because 1 month immediately it will be dishonored. If you remember the question, we said that 1 month the bills are drawn, which is the 2000 rupees. After 1 month it matured, and 1 month after what happened, the very clearly said all the bills are dishonored. What did he said here? All the bills are dishonored. It means before it dishonored the second and third bill, first bill will be dishonored. So we will write first bill dishonored entry, then we will write the endorsement entry, then it will be dishonored, then we will write the sent to bank for collection. Like that order we have to follow. So according to order, what is the first thing is happened here? We are the bill is sent to bank for collection, which is third bill, and second bill is we are endorsed. So write the entry for the endorsement of bill, endorsement, which is actually something July 3. Okay, endorsement of bill. What is the entry? To whom he is endorsed? The person A is endorsed the bill. To whom? Person C. Whenever he endorses, the bill will goes out. Bills receivable account. Bill number. What is the bill number here? The endorsed bill number was 2. Bills receivable account will be credited, and what will come? The endorsee name should be debited. C's account debtor. C's account debtor to bills receivable account when the bill is endorsed. What is the value of the bill? Second one, 3000 rupees. Okay. And immediately on July 4th, we will write in the order. In the July 4th, this is the first entry and this is the second entry. Actually, if you count the bill drawn entry and purchase entry, so it will be third bill, third entry, and this will be the fourth entry. On 4th July, we have bill sent to bank for collection. So what is the entry in this situation? Bill sent to bank for collection. This is the whole story we have to write. Bill sent to bank for collection account on date of July 4. Account debtor to what goes out here? Bills receivable account. Bill number is 3. How much the amount of third bill? Which is 5000. Now the cases is completed, which is the utilization of 3 bills. Utilization of 3 bills. First bill is retained. For retained no entry, that's why I am not right. Second bill is endorsed. We have wrote the endorsement entry. Third bill is we are sent to bank for the collection, and that entry we are recorded when the bill is sent to bank for collection, which the bill number is 3, amount is 5000. Now what happened in this story? First, immediately the 3 bills are dishonored, but according to the bill's maturity dates, first bill will be dishonored. Write the entry for the dishonor entry 1 month after, which means bill is drawn. The bill is drawn 1st July for example, and it will be dishonored. June will completed. It will come dishonor on the July. Till July 1st we have created the bill. It means August 1st it will be dishonored. August 1st. Entry number 5. Entry number 5, dishonor of entry. What is the entry here? Dishonor of entry. Dishonor of entry. When it is dishonor, what we'll get? We are not getting anything, and we are saying amount is still due. And for the person, the debitor name we will write again as a debitor. B's account debtor, which is the debitor. Debitor of the person A. B's account debtor 2. What is going out here? Bills receivable is going out. Bills receivable account, and 2 we can write bank account. Why bank account here? We are paying the noting charges. Why for this? This is for the noting charges. Very important. So how much we spent the noting charges for bill 1? Respectively, very clearly mentioned that question. 10, 15, 20 rupees are paid the bills noting charges for the 3 bills. Here we are paid the 10 rupees for the noting charges of bill 1, and the bills receivable amount is 2000 rupees, and the total 2010 rupees he has to pay. Who has to pay? The person B has to make the payment because of dishonor of bill, which is the bill amount of which one? Bill amount of 2000 rupees of bill 1, and the noting charges 10 rupees along with the total 2010 rupees he has to make the payment. This is the entry of dishonor with the noting charges of bill 1. Like the same way, we have to write the dishonor entry of the second one. We have already bill is we are endorsed to person C. That entry we have to record. Where is the entry number 6? Dishonor of bill which was endorsed. Bill endorsed and dishonored. Now I am saying bill is endorsed in past, now it is dishonored. In this case, what the entry will write? Simple entry. Now I will say, if you remember the story whole back, which is person A, person B, person C. Actually, bill is drawn by the A and accepted by B. It means the B is payable to A and A is payable to C. And what we expected, instead of making payment, A is expected the bill whatever received from B, that will be forwarded to C, so that B can make the payment to C. But unfortunately, this is not happened because bill is dishonored. Now in the books of A, he will say as B, again you have to make the payment, and C is make the already how much the noting charges paid by the C, and the total amount he is payable to C. So now entry we will write, which is the dishonor of entry. He will write simple entry here, whereas the amount the B's account debtor, how much the total amount, which is the bill amount is 3000 plus 15 rupees. B's account debtor to C's account 3015 rupees he will charge, including the noting charges. This kind of entry will be recorded when the bill is dishonored. When the bill is dishonored, which was endorsed. Okay. And seventh entry. Now seventh entry will discuss, which is dishonor of bill which was sent to bank for collection. In this case, already we said that in the sent to bank for collection we wrote already that bill sent to bank for collection account debtor to bills receivable account. But here bill is already went, so we can't say that bill will back. So whatever the debit word we wrote, bill sent to bank for collection account, that will be credited. So what we should write? Bill sent to bank for collection account, it will be credited, and we will say the back as B's as the debitor, B's account debtor to bill sent to bank for collection account. Along with we will write the noting charges that will be directly added, which is 20 rupees. It means 5020 rupees will be recorded with the noting charges, and these the entries will come in the books of whom? In the books of drawer. Whereas come to drawee point of view, the two entries first of all already we have discussed. In the drawee point of view, first entry for the purchases, second entry for bill accepted whenever bill is dishonored. In the three situations, same entry will be recorded with the dishonor. Whereas he will say again back as A. The A account is the creditor, to him is back. So A account will be the credit again. A's account debtor. A's account will be credited. What will be credited here? A's account will be credited, and his bills will be back as bills payable account. Bills payable account 1, for example. Bills payable account debtor to A's account, and newly what will be added? Noting charges as expenditure he will show. Noting charges account debtor. It means the total entry is bills payable 1 account debtor, noting charges account debtor to A's account. This is the why we will write when the bill is dishonored of bill 1. Whereas the amounts, simply the amount of bill is 2000 rupees, noting charges 10, and A will say in the books of whom we are talking here, in the books of B. These entries we are talking in the books of B, remember, in the books of B. In the books of B, first dishonor entry. This is the dishonor entries. Dishonor of 1 bill, dishonor of 2 bill, dishonor of 3rd bill. Now let's see. bills payable account debtor, noting charges account debtor to A's account, whereas the bills payable total will be 2000, noting charges 10 rupees, and the B has to make the payment to A again, which is 2010 rupees, because of 2000 rupees first bill amount and 10 rupees is noting charges, and this will be happen at the August 1st, because 1 month after the maturity date. And whereas second bill is dishonored, same entry will be recorded, which is bills payable account. Bills payable account data, which is bill number, we will write 2. Bills payable account data. Again, noting charges account data to A's account, which is total bill amount of the second bill is 3000 rupees, noting charges 10 rupees, and total amount 3015 rupees. Actually, noting charges is 15 rupees. Yeah. Total 3015 rupees. And this is the entry when is bill dishonored, and it will be happen after 2 months. It means August is 1 month after, then it is September. September 1st will be the, this entry of dishonor will be recorded. Next, third entry, when it is the bill dishonored after 3 months, which was sent to bank for collection, even it is dishonored, same entry will be recorded, which is bills receivable account. Bill number is bills receivable account. Bill number is 3, account debtor 2. Again, one more is there, noting charges, because on this third bill also we have to make the noting charges. So noting charges account debtor 2, what should we write? A's account, which is total bill amount is 5000 and the noting charges is 20, and total 5020 rupees is payable to A, and this will be happen in the month of October 1st. This will be dishonored in the month of October 1st because of 3 months of maturity time period. These are the basic and general entries where we have to write, where the one person draws the 3 bills on the person of drawee, and the 3 bills are utilized in 3 ways, where we discuss bill 1 is retained when bill 2 is endorsed and bill 3 is discounted, sent to bank for collection. In these 3 ways, he has discussed the 3 bills in the different 3 ways. For this is the oral explanation regarding the 3 bills are utilized in these 3 ways, whereas every bill has different maturity dates, and the total amount of 10,000 rupees payable by the person B to person A, but finally it was dishonored. Either they are recreated the bill or the bill is make the payment. Up to here we have the question, that's it. Whereas the total 10,000 rupees is divided into 3 bills with the 3 maturity dates, which is the 1 month after, 2 months after, 3 months after, with the noting charges of, again with the same noting charges, 10 rupees, 15 rupees and 20 rupees noting charges. Whereas these are the overview about the question regarding the bills drawn and dishonored with the noting charges. This question you have to remember to understand how the noting charges will be affected in the different situations of the regarding the journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee.